Hello, my name is Laimonas and I am going to show how to create registration for your website. So first of all, you will need a database. I will use database test with table users where I'm gonna put all information about my users. So I will need three fields. User ID, which one is auto increment, username, which one is um, unique, and its type is varchar 20 characters long. It can be different, of course. Third field is password, which one is also varchar but 32 characters long because of MD5 encryption. So what's next? Next, we'll need to start a program, all the stuff. So first of all, we will need HTML form, of course. I will use post method. Also, I will need three fields or more if you need, of course. So username, input type text, and name, of course, username. After that, we will need password field, which one gonna be almost the same, just type will be password, and name, name also password, and third field gonna be repeat password. So it's gonna be almost the same as previous, just different name. So type password because we don't want to see characters, and name password 2 because we want to check his variables after. And of course we will need submit button. So input type equals submit, and value, for example, register, and we should to close form. Oh. Let's check it. So right now it looks like this. So we have three fields. We're gonna check or his one is equals to his one, and or his one is not taken and here's no it's on database right here. So okay, let's start with PHP code. So first of all, we should to define our variable. So for example, user equals to post username. I'm doing that because it's easier to write his instead of his one. So I will use his value in all code after that. So second gonna be password 1. So pass 1, which one gonna be equal to post password. And of course second gonna be password 2, which one gonna check password 2 value from second field, like you see here. So right now we have one problem because on first count we're gonna get a few notices ahead his variables are undefined. So to fix that we should give if sentence. So if is set, so it means if it's set his variables. So for example, post username, when we're gonna define his variables as I mentioned before. So right now after we come into his, you do not see any notices. It fixes a lot of problems. Also his notices may not be shown. It depends on your PHP in a file configuration stuff. So what's next? Next we should to check or all of three his are not empty. So probably I should give another if sentence. Which one? Gonna check it right here better. If a user is not empty and pass1 is not empty, of course, and pass2 also is not empty. If all his are not empty, when we're doing this, also we can write else here and give output fill all fields, please. Something like this. Okay, so right now if I click this one, I will get fill all fields, please. If I click one, it will say also fill all fields. For example, here I'm gonna write A, B, C, and here A, B, C, D, and it says fill all fields because his one was empty. So user and A, B, C, A, B, C, D, his should be equal. So right now it says everything goes okay, so we should fix that. So right here, so here we should add if fields are not empty, it executes his one. So here we should check or passwords are equal to each other. So if pass1 is equal to pass2, that means we're gonna execute his code. Else I'm gonna give output passwords do not match, something like this. So let's check it. Something A, B, C, and A, B, C, D, and it says password do not match. So we checked everything, and here's our current working part if everything went right. So no empty fields and password is equals to password 2. Also we can check or values are not do not have less characters when you define. So for example, we can do another if. I comment better to understand where it's going. So check or passwords match. Here checks or here is no empty fields. Defines variables. Here's everything clear. It gives output and so on. So right now we can check length of variables. So for example, it's better to do it not in this part, because here if password and password 2 are empty, it anyway encrypt the data with MD5. Oh, I didn't do that yet. Okay, so we can do it right here. So we can write string, it means string length. It's function, so we'll use brackets, and here we can write pass1. So that means if our pass1 okay, maybe first of all I'm gonna show how strlen works. Strlen pass1. So it gonna gives us output of strlen how many symbols has his word. So ABC, it should gives us 3. Oh, I need to fill all fields. ABC and ABC. I didn't wrote eco, so eco, and right now again, and we have 3. If I write 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, it gonna, oh sorry, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 and something here. So you see 4. How many characters are wrote here or here? It gonna write me integer. So it works like this. So we can check if strlen of pass is more than 3, for example. It gonna gives us output. It's sorry, equal. It's okay. Just to check it, it should be more than 3. So if I write 2, it gonna give me nothing. And if I write it with 4 characters, it's right, it's okay. So here I can also write else. If it's too short password, echo password is too short, of course. So right now it works like this. So it's checking check or password is not too short. Okay, so it's right now checking or is no empty fields, or is or passwords matching, and or password is not too short. So I will leave it here 6, for example, characters, or 4. Okay, so here's our working part where we gonna put it into database. So first of all, we will need to use connection variable. So con equals to MySQL connect command, which one connects to our localhost server or your web server with username root and with no password, because I do not use password on my local computer. So after that we should to check our connection went right. So we should write con. If not con, if it's not connected, we should use die command, and it will stop executing all the code below his one if it went wrong, could not connect, and of course MySQL error function. So it's like this. So connect to server, this one checks, and after that we already can put it into database of MySQL. Query, insert into users, is my table, UID, first field, username, second field, and password, last field. So after that goes Wallace, and of course empty, because this one is auto increment stuff, so it will increase by 1 each time we will add entry to database. Second one gonna be our user, and last one gonna be our pass wallet. So what's wrong right now? Right now, if you remember, I used here MD5 encryption. So here we should encrypt his variable, because in his part we have what we wrote into field, we have the same value here. So for example, pass variable equals to ABC or something. and if we write here pass equals to md5 pass, oh, here's 1 if I remember, yes, pass 1, so pass 1 and pass 1. Okay, so after that it's gonna look something like pass 1 equals to something like this with 32 characters long stuff. So encrypting password with MD5 encryption type. Okay, so right now it's almost everything okay. Just I forgot to add here MySQL select function, so MySQL select DB for our database, and test our con variable, like you see. Oh, here's DB. So right now we connecting to our server, selecting our database and inserting it into database, of course, if it passes all checks. Also we should write here echo because here we inserting our new entry into database, so we want to know that registration went successful. So we're gonna give output you have been registered. Okay, so let's check it. If I use Liomonas171 username and password 1234 1234, wait a second, we're checking here or it's more, so I will give here equal, so it can be 4 characters length or more. So let's check it or it works. And you have been registered because we're seeing it here. So wrong part is because I can register few users with different password or same passwords, whatever. Oh no, it's unique, but it doesn't give us any warning message, and it says I am registered. So we should to check our username is already taken in this part. Okay, to check that we need to count rows with our given username. So MySQL num rows function, which one counts rows by MySQL query function, which one gonna be select everything from users table, where username equals to our user. So what does that mean? That means that he selecting all the data where is our username, which one we put into our first field, username, like you see his variable. So we're searching all entries in database with same username. If it found when it's gonna give us output, so here found username, so we should write here something like echo username already taken, and else it should put it into database because username wasn't found. So let's check it or it works correctly. So right now if I use Liomonas171 with password 12345 12345, oh, I write it wrong, 12345. Okay, username already taken. If I write something like Liomonas only and write password 123451, sorry, 12346. It should say passwords do not match. And of course, if I write Limonas 17, sorry, Limonas hit like this, and 12345, 12345, it shows I have been registered. So let's check it, and like you see, here's only one Limonas, and Limonas with different encrypted passwords. Thank you for watching. Please click subscribe. If you have any questions, you can comment below, and see you.